In this video, I'll show you how to assign custom actions and keyboard shortcuts to AirTouch gestures. Open File, then Settings to access the Gesture Configuration menu. Make sure you select the correct profile. I will be choosing Profile 1. Select a gesture, choose the action you want, then click Save. For keyboard shortcuts, type the shortcut exactly as you would press it, like CTRL+L. After saving, close the settings window and test the gesture. In this example, performing the thumb up gesture activates the CTRL+L shortcut. If you ever want to restore the original mappings, click the default button. Also remember that the open palm gesture controls mouse movement and can't be reassigned. Another available action is Next Profile. This gesture allows you to quickly switch between different AirTouch profiles. For example, I will assign Next Profile to Thumb Right, then click Save and Close. Every time I do Thumb Right, I switch to a different profile. The Mouse Up action works like physically picking up a mouse and repositioning it. I will assign it to Fist. When I do the gesture, it helps me reposition my hand. This is useful when navigating large displays, where you need to quickly move the cursor without continuously dragging your hand across the entire screen. That's it! You now know how to customize and test gesture keybinds in AirTouch.